Hi, my name is Erin, and I met Becca T-Bond by chance at a friend's house on a Saturday. And we were chatting and talking about what she does and how she has a program using different resistance bands. And she has an exercise program and basically went over everything that it is. And that it was 17 minutes of a workout. And I was at a point in my life where I knew I had to do something. But also at the same time a little bit lost. And I decided to find that I could totally find 17 minutes a day for me. That I was worth 17 minutes a day. For my own self, for my health, for my physical being, for my mental being, everything. So I decided to join. And part of the program is she asks you to take pictures for before pictures, pictures at the halfway mark, and pictures at the end of the program. And I figured 17 minutes a day for 8 weeks, I can do it. If after 8 weeks I'm not happy or anything like that, it was 8 weeks. And I can move on to the next thing if need be. So I joined, and I took my before pictures, and I reluctantly posted them because I was so afraid that the whole world was going to see these pictures, which they haven't, but unless I've showed them to you. And I started the program, and the first week was rough. I was tired. I was like, holy crap, that's the hardest 17 minutes of exercise I've ever done. And like, I was kind of at the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical about 17 minutes. So I was like, all right, well, 17 minutes, it's, okay. But let me tell you something, 17 minutes, kick your butt. You got the right person in front of you. And so I did it, and I'm about 5 weeks in. So I've taken my before pictures, and I have taken my halfway pictures, which I will share with you now. Okay. This picture was taken on September 27th, 2020. This picture was taken October 26th, 2020. Again, September 27th, 2020, October 26th, 2020. This is 4 weeks in. This is halfway through the program. And again, September 27th, 2020, October 26th, 2020. I mean, you can't deny that there are results there. So part of what got me to start the program was not only because of the way I felt and I knew I had to do something, but also Becca. There's something about her when you meet her, something about her spirit, something about her energy, something just about her that brings you from the I think I can do it to the I know I can do it. And she's just, once you get in there and you start doing the program, and it's like I said, the program, you're in your living room. It is a Zoom video. You are on there. Well, it's a live Zoom, not a video. You are on there for maybe from start to finish a half an hour, from showing you what you're doing at the beginning, to doing the 17 minutes of exercise, to the stretching and the talk at the end, to chit-chatting with the other girls that are in there with you. It's so doable, and there's no excuses. Like I said, you're in your own home. There's 3 times a day that you can totally do it, so it's convenient in my opinion, for anybody. There's a time slot for anybody. It's nice because if you want to do it more than once a day, you can do it more than once a day. Now, my results, I've only been doing once a day. I have not been going more than 1 class a day. I'm excited for my pictures at the end, and I can't wait to see everything. I feel great. I feel energized. I feel healthier. I'm drinking more water. She gives you tricks on how to do that. She has special things that she does during the 8 weeks that helps you learn eating and cooking and tricks to do this and tricks to do that, and just lots of empowerment in the program. I know at 4 weeks, and I knew at 4 weeks that this is something that I am going to stay with. I am going to continue with it after my 8 weeks. Yeah, and just, I would recommend it to anybody. I would recommend Becca to anybody. She is an amazing person, and absolutely 100% worth every second of that 17 minutes. Thank you, Becca, for coming into my life.